Tricia, looks like you have a science experiment going on here. What's up?
Well, actually, this would be a nice experiment to do with children.
Okay, all right. Well, it looks like dirt.
It's very good. It is dirt. It is dirt. And what I'm trying to do is to figure out what kind of alkalinity or acidity I have in my garden.
Okay, so a soil test.
Exactly. It's
Okay.
a soil test. Not
right.
very scientific, but a lot of fun.
Okay, sure.
So what I've done is I've just taken a sample of soil from different parts of my garden, put in a little bit of water, just a little bit, just to make a little bit of mud. And to test the acidity of the soil, you're going to add a little bit of baking soda. Now, if that baking soda bubbles up, then your soil is acidic.
I see a little bit of a reaction there.
There's a little bit going on. And then another way to find out if it is alkaline is you would take vinegar and put it in there and see, now see, that's very, very alkaline. You can see that it's really reacting that way. Now, if you want an acidic soil, you want to see that bubble. If you want this, that's fine. And if you want a balance, then you're going to need to add some amendments to make sure that you have that balance for your entire garden.
And most plants want it balanced, right?
I think most plants want it balanced. I like camellias and azaleas, so I love acidic soil.